Now we conclude this course. The agricultural practices can be classified into seven series of activities which have to be performed by the farmer in a particular sequence over a period of time. The first is preparation of soil, which means that the soil has to be loosened, weeds have to be removed, as well as leveling of the soil has to be done. Next is sowing. The seeds have to be sown at appropriate depth, and there has to be a proper distance between the seeds. Then the manure and fertilizers have to be added to the plants so that there is proper development of the crop. Then the fourth activity is irrigation. We have to properly give water to the crop so that there is proper growth of the crops. If we irrigate, that is, if we give more water to the plants, it is quite possible that there is not proper growth of plants. Then we have to protect the plants from weeds. We can do this activity with the help of manually or with the help of machines or using weedicides. Then when the crop is mature, we have to cut it. It is called harvesting. Then after cutting the crops, we have to store the crop. If the crop is not stored, it may be destroyed by rats or by moisture. So when we store the crop, before that we have to we may have to keep it in sunlight so that moisture content in the crop is reduced. For the purpose of storage, we can store the crops in granaries or in large silos. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.